Have you ever gone down that rabbit hole, searching for a roulette strategy that just feels a little smarter? One that gives you a real statistical edge on each spin, but doesn't require you to bet your life savings? Well, today we're going to break down a really interesting system that claims to do exactly that. Let's see if it holds up.
So, what if I told you there's a way to set up your bets so that you have an 86.5% chance of winning on any given spin? I know that number sounds almost too good to be true, right? But the math is actually super simple, and what makes it really interesting is how little you need to get in the game.
That's the kicker. This isn't one of those strategies for high rollers. You can run this whole system, covering a huge chunk of the wheel, for less than what you'd probably spend on lunch. And really, this gets to the very heart of what so many of us are looking for at the casino. It's not about that one massive, life-altering jackpot. It's about the fun, right? The thrill of racking up small, frequent wins and making a modest bankroll last, well, as long as possible.
This really says it all. It's a strategy built for small, consistent wins. It's not about drama, it's about consistency. And that's exactly why so many people find it so appealing for just a fun, sustained session at the table.
So, how do we actually do it? What does this look like when you're standing at the table? Let's get into the nitty-gritty. The strategy is called the Romanovska system. And honestly, its real beauty is in how simple it is.
So, at its core, the Romanovsky is all about one thing: coverage. The whole idea is to use just a few clever bets to cover almost the entire wheel, leaving just a tiny handful of numbers that could make you lose. Okay, here's the play-by-play. First, you're going to place a 3-unit bet on 2 of the 3 dozen sections on the board. Boom, that covers 24 numbers right there. Then, you look at the 1 dozen you didn't bet on. Inside that section, you place a 1-unit bet on 2 different corners. That covers another 8 numbers. So, what does that look like with real cash?
All right, let's turn those units into actual money. Let's say our base unit is $2. So, you'd put $6 on your first dozen, $6 on your second dozen, then $2 on your first corner and $2 on your second. Add it all up and your total bet for the spin is just $16. Easy enough?
So how in the world does that specific $16 bet get us to that incredible 86.5% win rate? Let's actually look at the math. It's all about how much of that wheel we've covered.
Check this out. Your 2 dozen bets cover 24 numbers. Your 2 corner bets add another 8, so you've got your money on 32 different numbers. On the standard European wheel with 37 pockets, that leaves only 5, just 5 numbers that can make you lose. 32 winners out of 37 total possibilities, and that's how you get your 86.5% chance to win.
Okay, so winning is likely, but what do you actually get? Well, here's the cool part. If one of your dozens hits, you're paid 2 to 1. That's an $18 return. If one of your corners hits, it pays 8 to 1, which is also an $18 return. So no matter which of your numbers hits, you get $18 back on your $16 bet. That's a clean $2 profit every single time. Now, that $2 profit might not sound like a lot, but think about it this way. It's a 12.5% return on your investment. For a single spin of a wheel that takes less than a minute, that's a really efficient way to slowly but surely build up your chips.
But you knew there had to be a but, right? There is no such thing as a perfect system. We spent all this time talking about the amazing 86.5% chance of winning. Now we have to talk about what happens on the other side of that coin.
And this right here is the most important question you have to ask yourself before you even think about trying this. It is so easy to get caught up in that high win rate, but you have to know what's the price when you're wrong. When one of those 5 numbers hits, you lose it all. The entire $16 bet is gone. Boof. It's not a partial loss. It's not a push. It is a total wipeout for that spin.
And this is the razor's edge of this strategy. Let this sink in. You make $2 when you win, you lose 16 when you lose. That means it takes 8 separate, successful wins just to break even from one single loss. That is the hidden price you pay for that high probability of winning. So, what's the final verdict here? Let's put all the pieces together and really look at the big picture of this Romanovsky system and figure out who it might actually be good for.
So you can see the clear trade-off. On one hand, you get that amazing feeling of winning almost 9 times out of 10. It's fun, it doesn't cost much to get started, and let's be honest, it feels great to keep winning. But on the flip side, all your risk is bundled together. Sooner or later, that losing number will hit. It's just a matter of statistics. And when it does, it's going to hurt, wiping out a whole string of those happy little wins. And that's really what it all boils down to. It's a question about you and what kind of player you are. Is the joy you get from winning 8 times in a row worth the sting of losing all that progress on the 9th spin? It's the classic battle, the steady pleasure of small gains versus the sharp pain of a big loss. There's no right answer, but knowing which one matters more to you is the real key to playing smart.